In this video, I will show you how to pay Atome via Instapay. So Atome is a credit card provider that can actually be classified as a biller if you try to pay for it. So in order to make a bill repayment, we have in here this Atome article. You just need to open the Atome Cash app. So we have in here this. So if you have in here a balance due, you can click on this pay now option right here. After that, click on this change option because this actually have the option to do bank transfer or via InstaPay. Click on this change option right here and then choosing here this bank transfer via InstaPay. What you can do in that case is just copy the code that they will give you in this one. The account name will be Atome Cash. Then we have in here the InstaPay members such as BDO, Land Bank, Venture Bank, and a lot more. So just copy this code and then after you have done that, you just need to open your bank's mobile app and then paste it onto the InstaPay option in order to click on this one. So that's how you pay Atome via InstaPay. Hope we helped.